Hey there, just a quick video to show you a small stainless steel and tea kettle setup for distilling water. Super simple design. I just bought the stainless steel tube, connected it to a tea kettle. It's going to take a few minutes for the water to boil, and then we'll just capture the steam on the other side. Burner right now is on full blast. Most of the water in that kettle's gone already. It's all over here. And some in the air. It's working really good. Check that out. That water's filling up pretty fast. That didn't take very long. That was about an hour and a half. That's almost a quart in an hour and a half. Again, the reason for this design is I wanted the water to go up to its highest point real quick and then kind of a elongated downward spiral into the glass. I would have just done a single tight spiral, but with these areas, you can't really bend those areas. You got to keep them kind of straight. You can see all the steam going up underneath the stainless steel mixing bowl. It's going to condense on the underside, run down to the edges. Then I got the little trough of aluminum foil with the two outlets. Combined, that would make, I'd say at least a glass full. That's about 12 to 15 ounces now. Really just the burner, the pan, the support underneath the mixing bowl, some aluminum foil, tape, rubber bands. That's essentially it. And then the drip glasses. This is my second or jumbo version. Beautiful. Looks good. Yeah, there's a little bit right there. And this one too. You can see it puddling right in there. The clean water from the dirty. And a little bit there from the salt water too. That's from the dirty water. This is from the salt water. That's only after a few minutes. So you can imagine if you set up 5 or 10 of these in a row, and like a survival situation, get a decent amount of water pretty quick. Hi there, this is just a quick video to show you how to make a simple solar water distiller. But that's how you make it. Let me go ahead and show you it working outside. Nice and salty. Okay, let's add some more dirt, mud, grass, sticks. Time lapse. Of course, this would normally happen with gravity. Hey there, this is just a quick vid to show you how to very quickly distill some water. And all you do is carefully put the glass bowl in, like so that no water gets in there. And then put the lid on upside down like this. It'll immediately steam up as you see, and the water will immediately run down to the center and into the bowl. Super fast. You can see it takes like no time at all to fill that bowl. That's probably enough. was that, two parts per million?